Hi everyone, hope you will be all fine. Today we are talking about the modern luxury stylish curtain ideas for 2023. In this video, I will show you different 50 modern luxury style stylish curtain design for 2023 that is trending and very fashionable in the 2 days. Stylish modern curtain come in a variety of the design, material and pattern and reflecting the latest fashion trend. There are the many modern and stylish luxury curtain design to choose from depending on your personal taste and the overall look of your room. Some popular options are the sheer curtain with the bold pattern. Sheer curtain also create an ethereal and the light atmosphere in a room, while the bold pattern can add a touch of the sophistication and also use the visual touch to your living space. And also the floor ceiling curtain is also velvet curtain that is used very popular and also luxurious in their look. They also often provide a very elegance and sophisticated dramatic look to your living space and make your room to making it more beautiful. By choosing the floor to ceiling curtain is can make a state and also create an illusions of the higher ceiling. Metallic curtain is also add a touch of the glamour and elegance to the room. Gold and silver color pattern is also very highly and can reflect the light and create the more beautiful vision in the room. A warm and the inviting atmosphere is created by these curtains. White and the grey combination is also very popular that is used many countries, and the layered curtain can add the depth and the texture to the room. Combining the sheer curtain with the unique and the heavier drapes can create a cozy and luxurious look. These modern luxury stylish curtain design for 2023 is very popular all over the world. Printed curtain can add a pop of the color and the pattern to a room. Choose a design that is very contemporary and also complement to their elements in your space and creating the very beautiful attractive look to your space. When choosing the stylish and the modern luxurious curtain, it is important to consider the overall design of your room and also amount of the natural light you want to let in and personal style. Stylish modern luxurious curtains have always been popular among those who seek to add a touch of the elegance to your living space and modern look to your living space. Modern stylish luxurious curtains have become increasingly popular as people are looking for new and innovative ways to update their living space. If we talk about the design, some like the minimalistic design, like the feature of the cleanliness and simplicity that create the minimalistic look to your living space and also making it more attractive and beautiful. In the minimalistic design, we use the neutral colors and making them the perfect for the modern and contemporary homes. Natural material used in mostly curtain is like the linen, cotton, velvet, and also use the net of that make it more fabulous and making the space very beautiful and attractive. Use of the different laces and also the motifs and other work making it very beautiful and attractive. Luxury curtain, as people are looking for the eco-friendly and sustainable environment all over the modern stylish luxury curtain can provide to increase the popular among the homeowner and the designer alike and also create offer the endless possibilities as for creating a beautiful and inviting living space to make your living space more beautiful and attractive. If you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel of the home decoration ideas. Hit the bell icon for the